Here we go. Matthew is about to get pretty crazy on his unit here. As you can see, we got a tow strap hooked up to a fridge here. Oh! 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 Woo! Matthew, alright, back up here.
Back up?
Mm-hmm.
Grab the rope. Leave it on the whole time. Here we go.
See those people? We're about to get crazy here. We'll just hook this right onto here.
Dad?
We're on, Matthew.
Right.
Hold on a second. Let me get out of the way here.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, man. Whoa! Dude, the fridge is so fucked up. It's stuck on a rock, Matthew.
Am I stuck real good?
No, the fridge is stuck.
Yeah, I'm done.
Woo!
That was good, George. Let's run.
That was awesome. You want to stop it? Oh my God.
The brute force.
Look at the back of the fridge. It's like hung up on a rock.
Yeah, this fridge is just like destroyed. It's probably like a vintage item. I just dragged it through the woods. Jonathan! Yeah, get it! Is it good?
I don't know. You want to try it again?
Why don't you try it? Get on there. Just go slow.
Okay.
If the front end jacks in the air, just stop. Lean all your weight forward. Put it in low. Oh, you're in reverse. Put it in low. Yep. That's it. What was that?
Did I just do that?
Do what?
Is it always like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I just caught the plastic roll.
Oh, you're fine, yeah.
Dude, that's the funniest video ever.
I think I still got it on. Oh, shit.